Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the USB-C pinout and marking the plug so you never swap orientation. Strip about 8 to 12 mm of jacket, separate shield and inner conductors, and trim carefully. Tin each conductor and the connector pads with a small amount of solder and flux. This helps the solder flow and prevents cold joints. Once done, position the connector on a fixture or hold steady with tweezers so you can make the first anchor solder joints accurately. Now secure the mechanical ground and shield tabs so the connector won't shift when you solder signal pins. You solder those larger tabs first and double-check alignment. Next, tackle the super speed differential pairs. Route them straight, maintain length matching, and avoid untwisting more than necessary because signal integrity depends on it. Use a fine tip iron at moderate power and quick, confident touches to form smooth fillets. Make sure to retin any wire. Finish by verifying every pin electrically. Use a multimeter for continuity and to confirm there are no shorts between VBus, ground, and data lines. You then secure strain relief. Hot glue or epoxy under the connector body works well, but keep the pads exposed for future rework. If a circuit fails, re-examine visually under magnification. If a joint looks dull, reheat it with flux and add fresh solder. If pads lift or delaminate, replace the connector. That damage can't be trusted for high-speed signals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.